is Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If you just see me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm angry when I say man. I'm angry whenever I say Nigeria, but I love you guys. Let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about bone straight hair. I know there was so much craze in 2020 about bone straight hair. Everybody bone straight, bone straight, bone straight, bone straight, bone straight. Your bone straight, bone straight. Even those that went to go and commit all sorts of criminality, all in the name of ensuring that they had bone straight hair for Christmas. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you, and I'm going to be talking about bone straight hair and also showing you what bone straight hair looks like. That's what bone straight hair looks like in this video. So guys, let's get right into it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure subscribe now. Gotta subscribe. Don't mind me, guys. Please subscribe to my channel right now, and make sure you subscribe, guys. We need to keep on growing, guys. We need to keep on growing. So let's get right into the video. So what is bone straight hair? Bone straight hair is any hair that looks like this. Can you see this? Can you see this? Like, can you see this? When people always talk about bone straight hair, what they basically mean is they want hair that stays straight. Even if you were to twist it around like this, twist it around, will it still stay straight? Those are the things that would make your hair qualify as either being bone straight or not. So you can look at how this hair is right now. You can see how thick it is from the up part down to the downside. So it's not just bone straight hair alone, it's bone straight and it's also full to the tip. It's double drawn bone straight hair, guys. So if you have been wondering, oh, what's this thing about bone straight hair? Because if the hair, and most times your supplier might send you a picture of hair and tell you, oh, this hair is straight, because it looks like, let me show you one wig right now. This wig you are seeing here now looks straight and it looks lush and whatever. It still doesn't mean that it's a bone straight. Like, really, if I was to curl this hair, it's going to coil and it will take in a curl. So this would not necessarily qualify as bone straight hair, even if when I straighten it to stay straight. If I was to coil it will also take the curl. But the thing with the bone straight hair is that because of the way the hair is so thick, it's so thick, so it's a case of, even if you were to even curl the hair, it wouldn't take the curl because the strands are so thick and the hair is heavy. Like, it's heavy on. So it's not something that, oh, if you were to coil, it's going to take the curl. Because let's say I was even folding this hair like this. I want to bend the hair. Let me bend the hair and see if it will bend. Let me bend it and squeeze it like clothes. So as much as I bend the hair and I try to squeeze it and whatever, if I just run my hands through it, it doesn't even look like anything happens there. So you just see that the hair just keeps on reverting back to its state of being straight. So guys, in essence, the whole effigy about bone straight hair just because, oh, it's easier to manage for girls, and then it has this very rich bouncy look. You know the way all these Asian girls, how their hair look, and they are all like, you know, working with their small bodies and just moving around, and you just see their hair stay in one place and the hair just following them to dance around. So guys, that's basically the whole ish about bone straight hair. It's just because of the way the hair just stays straight and then it's lush, and you just, the hair knows how to respect itself. It's low maintenance hair, and it's very, very good quality hair also. And because most times people tend to buy straight hairs, and before you know what's happening, from straight the hair is beginning to look like a body wave. And that's the thing with most Chinese hair suppliers. When you buy their straight hairs, after a while it starts to look like it's body wave hair. So I think that's what when people started to see that, oh, it's possible for hair to actually remain straight, they started to desire, bone straight hair. The whole bone straight hair craze thing just started. And the beauty of the bone straight hair is that it actually requires very low maintenance, because it just stays straight. Whether you comb it or you don't comb it, or you turn it around, you don't turn it around, it still return back to it just still revert back to how it is. So the thing with the bone straight hair is, of course, it's slightly more expensive than the regular hairs, but of course the quality of the hair is on point. very, very on point. So guys, if you've been looking towards getting good quality bone straight hair, we at A&L Beauty would offer you very good quality bone straight hair, like very good quality. You can see how this hair is here, these 3 bundles of hair, and you just see how full it is from the up part of the hair down to even the tip, as in it's full. The hair is so full that you'd even be thinking that you don't even need 3, because really with this bone straight hair you don't even need 3 bundles of hair to make it full. You don't need 3 bundles to make a full head. So I think with just 2 bundles you're good to, because 3 bundles is too thick, guys. Like, it's so thick. It's too thick. So with 2 bundles with bone straight hair you are good to go, because of course you get very full size. So with 2 bundles on the bone straight hair you're good to go. Just 2 bundles and you get a full hair with your closure or your frontal, whichever one you prefer. If you want to do 5x5 closure, 4x4, 2x4, or even a 2x6 closure, your preference. 2 bundles of the bone straight hair is good. And if you'd like to try bone straight hair, please don't forget A&L Beauty has bone straight hair, so you could order from my hair and makeup brand, A&L Beauty. But the beauty of the bone straight hair also is the fact that it has this very silky, like kind of shiny, glossy look to it. So it's not looking dull at all. It's glossy, and it has this very luxury, expensive, rich, healthy look to it. So of course the quality of the hair is amazing, guys. I'm going to put a link to our website in the description box if you desire. So if you want to get our bone straight hair, which is this hairs like this, and this hair is actually available in other lengths, but I think the longest hair which this hair is available in is 22 inch. So you could get this bone straight hair from 6 inch down to 22 inch, and of course the price ranges, and it tends to get more expensive depending on the length of the hair which you're ordering. I think this one right here is a 10 inch hair. You can see how long this 10 inch hair is. It's very true to length. This 10 inch hair you're seeing here is even 10 inch. This is actually 8 inch. This is 8 inch of the bone straight hair. This 8, okay, is it 10? Okay, yeah, it's 10. No, it's 10. Okay, this is actually the 10 inch hair. You can see that this 10 inch hair you're seeing here is what some suppliers will sell to you as 12 inch. It's very true to length. And if I were to measure this 10 inch hair on your tape rule, you notice that what you're actually getting for the 10 inch is actually 11 inch. So our hairs are very true to length, and you're getting very good quality. Like, this is our luxury range right here. So if you've been looking out to getting bone straight hair but you don't know where to get good quality bone straight hair from, then I think you should holler at A&L Beauty. And also, if you want to get my hair vendor information on like the supplier for this particular type of hair in question, let me know in the comment section. Of course, you're gonna have to pay for the information, because man, I sell hairs, and if I have to give you my hair vendor information, so it means like you won't buy the hair from me and I won't make any profit. And of course, I wouldn't just want to send it to my supplier knowing fully well that I'm not going to make any profit from that. You're just going to, it's more like, I'm going to be cutting off any profit that I would have made from selling the hair directly to you. So if you feel you rather buy hair from the supplier directly, but you want my hair vendor information, then feel free to click on the link in the description to purchase my bone straight hair supplier information. And the price of the hair supplier, if you have vendor information, is just 25,000 naira, which is equivalent to I think $40 or even less, no, $50. I don't know, somewhere around that $40 to $50 range, depending on the exchange rates at the country which you are currently at. But in naira, it's 25,000 naira for my hair, for my bone straight hair supplier, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you're not yet subscribed. So bone straight hair is just hair that stays bone straight, and it's the best quality of hair you would ever find in the market. It doesn't tangle, it's not prone to shedding, and it's usually very, very full from the tip of the hair down to the tip of the hair. So if your hair supplier is giving you hair and she says it's bone straight and it's not doing all of what this hair here is doing, it's not retaining its smoothness and lushness after all this twisting around, please dump that hair supplier. Come to A&L Beauty and buy good quality bone straight hair from A&L Beauty. And don't forget, we deliver to you strictly on pre-order basis. You need to wait for at least after making payment, you need to wait for at least 2 weeks or even 3 weeks or a month to receive your hair, because most time we don't tend to buy a huge chunk of our stock and keep as soon as we're able to raise our capital base to a very huge amount, then we'll be able to start stocking up on various lengths of this hair, so at least you don't have to pre-order anymore. You could just order and get your orders immediately, except in cases where you actually like are requiring the hair to be wigged for you and other things done to the hair, probably like coloring the hair. Then you might have to wait a while before you receive the hair in question. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks to all my subscribers and those who like my videos and who take out time to make comments in the videos. I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you, and remember to be bold and have courage, guys. Live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.